Here's a quick video from Instructional Solutions on correct article use. So what exactly are articles? Articles are words that act as modifiers that change the way we understand nouns. As a quick reminder, nouns are any words that refer to a person, place, thing, or idea. There are 3 articles in English. 2 indefinite articles, a and an, and there's 1 definite article, the. Sometimes, though, we don't use any article with a word. Efficiency is a good example of a noun that usually does not use an article. So what exactly are the rules for working with articles? There are many, many different rules for different types of article usage. So let's take a look at geography as an example. When we're talking about a group of lakes, we use the definite article the. For example, the Great Lakes. But when we're talking about one lake in that group, we don't use any article. For example here, Lake Erie. We do something similar with mountain ranges and individual mountains. When we're talking about the whole mountain range, we use the definite article the. For example, the Himalayas. But when we're talking about one mountain in that range, we don't use any article. For example, Mount Everest. Let's take a look at another rule. Some countries use articles, but some do not. Most countries do not use any article at all. For example, Germany, Chile, and India. However, the definite article the is used with any country name that includes kingdom, united, or republic. For example, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the United States, and the Republic of Congo. Knowing how to use articles correctly with country names is one example of how article usage is important to get correct when you're working with a global audience. For more information about grammar, punctuation, and business writing, please visit instructionalsolutions.com/business-grammar.